Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are conducting a mock test on General Agriculture Set 5, which consists of 30 MCQs. So watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Organic farming is the technique of raising crops through uses of options A. Manures, B. Biofertilizers, C. Resistant varieties, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 2. Pyrethrin is got from options A. Azadirachta indica, B. Urtica dioica, C. Tagetes erecta, D. Chrysanthemum cinerarifolium. Correct answer D. Chrysanthemum cinerarifolium. Question number 3. Which one is green manure or biofertilizer? Options A. Sesbania, B. Rice, C. Oat, D. Maize. Correct answer A. Sesbania. Question number 4. Azolla is used as biofertilizer as it has options A. Rhizobium, B. Cyanobacteria, C. Mycorrhiza, D. Large quantity of humus. Correct answer B. Cyanobacteria. Question number 5. The most quickly available source of nitrogen to plants are options A. Amide fertilizers, B. Ammonia fertilizers, C. Nitrate fertilizers, D. Ammonia nitrate fertilizer. Correct answer C. Nitrate fertilizers. Question number 6. Most effective pesticide is options A. Carbamates, B. Organophosphates, C. Organochlorines, D. All of these. Correct answer B. Organophosphates. Question number 7. Which is true for DDT? It is options A. Not a pollutant, B. An antibiotic, C. An antiseptic agent, D. A non-degradable pollutant. Correct answer D. A non-degradable pollutant. Question number 8. Which is major component of Bordeaux mixture? Options A. Copper sulfate, B. Sodium chloride, C. Calcium chloride, D. Magnesium sulfate. Correct answer A. Copper sulfate. Question number 9. Which one is correctly matched? Options A. Carbamates malathion, B. Organophosphates carbofurans, C. Carbamates malathion, D. Organochloride endosulfan. Correct answer D. Organochloride endosulfan. Question number 10. IPM stands for options A. Integrated pest manufacture, B. Integrated plant management, C. Integrated plant manufacture, D. Integrated pest management. Correct answer D. Integrated pest management. Question number 11. After fertilization, the seed coat developed from options A. Chalaza, B. Ovule, C. Embryo sac, D. Integuments. Correct answer D. Integuments. Question number 12. Green manuring increases the crop yield by options A. 5 to 10%, B. 15 to 25%, C. 30 to 50%, D. 80 to 90%. Correct answer C. 30 to 50%. Question number 13. Insecticides generally attack options A. Respiratory system, B. Nervous system, C. Muscular system, D. Circulatory system. Correct answer A. Respiratory system. Question number 14. Organisms associated with sorghum and cotton which provide nutrition to them are options A. Azospirillum azotobacter, B. Azotobacter azospirillum, C. Anabaena rhizobium, D. Rhizobium azotobacter. Correct answer A. Azospirillum azotobacter. Question number 15. Azolla as biofertilizer increases the yield of rice fields by options A 10%, B 20%, C 30%, D 50%. Correct answer D 50%. Question number 16. Major food crops of the world belongs to the family options A Leguminosae, B Solanaceae, C Cruciferae, D Graminae. Correct answer D Graminae. Question number 17. Saffron is produced from options A roots of Indigofera, B petals of Rosa, C stamens of Hibiscus, D style and stigma of Crocus. Correct answer D style and stigma of Crocus. Question number 18. One of the following is a plant of great medicinal value. Options A Brassica oleracea, B Rovolfia serpentina, C Coffea robusta, D Cryptostegia grandiflora. Correct answer B Rovolfia serpentina. Question number 19. Respirine drug is extracted from options A Brassica oleracea, B Atropa belladonna, C Revolvia serpentina, D Digitalis purpurae. Correct answer C Revolvia serpentina. Question number 20. Fiber of great commercial importance derived from epidermis is options A flax, B hemp, C coir, D cotton. Correct answer D cotton. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala PSC for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock test aimed at the upcoming exam. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use Futech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. A milk-like preparation can be made from the seeds of options A. Gram, B. Grapes, C. Soybean, D. Barley. Correct answer C. Soybean. Question number 22. Coir of commerce comes from which part of coconut? Options A. Epicarp, B. Mesocarp, C. Seed coat, D. Endocarp. Correct answer B. Mesocarp. Question number 23. One of the following is a source of rubber. Options A. Hevea brasilensis, B. Tectona grandis, C. Cedrus debdara, D. Michelia champaca. Correct answer A. Hevea brasilensis. Question number 24. Which of the following important source of food and fodder? Options A. Algae, B. Fungi, C. Lichen, D. Cereal. Correct answer D. Cereal. Question number 25. A drug which reduces high blood pressure is obtained from options A. Aconitum chesmanthum, B. Centella asiatica, C. Revolvia serpentina, D. Solanum nigrum. Correct answer C. Ruvolfia serpentina. Question number 26. One of the following plants is a rich variety of timber. Options A. Cassia fistula, B. Dalbergia siso, C. Acacia arabica, D. Morus alba. Correct answer B. Dalbergia siso. Question number 27. The chicory powder which is mixed with coffee powder is obtained from options A. Seeds, B. Leaves, C. Roots, D. Stems. Correct answer C. Roots. Question number 28. Castor oil is obtained from options A. Sesamum indicum, B. Linum species, C. Brassica campestris, D. Ricinus communis. Correct answer D. Ricinus communis. Question number 29. The flax fibers are obtained from options A. Cannabis sativa, B. Crotalaria juncae, C. Cocos nucifera, D. Linum rusticissimum. Correct answer D. Linum rusticissimum. Question number 30. One of the following is an oilseed crop. Options A. Marigold, B. Sunflower, C. Roses, D. Chrysanthemum. Correct answer B. Sunflower. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is going to start a 90-day course for 12th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy. Use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. A great opportunity to get top rank in 10th level prelims exams. Unacademy is going to start a 30-day crash course for 10th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.